Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And I am fixing to make me a fried peanut butter, Nutella, and banana sandwich. So basically I have put the Jif on both sides and I've taken the Nutella, which is delicious, and I've put it on, I'm gonna put the Nutella on top of the peanut butter so that the bananas and everything stick to it. So good. All right, let me get my bananas on there. We'll come back. Okay, I have the bananas on top of the Nutella side. So I'm just gently gonna put this over there. Make sure, I used an organic banana. It just makes it, to me, it just seems a little bit fresher. Which bananas are bananas. Use whichever one that the grocery store has. All right, and I'm gonna butter each side with soft butter. I like to use a salted butter. So I'm gonna butter both of these sides and we're gonna get it into a pan of melted butter. I'm gonna melt this butter and that's what we're going to fry it in. So we'll be back. Okay, my butter looks like it is nice and hot. So I have buttered both sides. So let's put this in here. Just give that, the butter will help brown it and kind of caramelize it. So I've got my fire kind of on high, but I want to put it just a little bit higher. We want to brown both sides. I'm going to go ahead and turn this over. Now this is a non-stick pan. Just be real careful if you use metal. Just try not to scrape your sides. And I'll try not to get all my gooey stuff running out of the sides. But it's already crisping up. Look at that. Ooh, that looks delicious. Let's get this fried up and see what it looks like. Okay, we have fried it up and look how crisp the sides are. Can you hear that? It's nice and crispy. It's not the prettiest, but I can guarantee you it's gonna be the most delicious. And I'm gonna put just a little bit of powdered sugar, you know, for that little extra yumminess. And then a little bit of cinnamon, just a little, just to give it that deliciousness. All right, let's give it a little, ooh, listen to that crunch. Ooh, yummy yum. All right, let's see if we can get it. Well, it's not the prettiest, but you can eat it with a spoon and this thing will be delicious. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to my channel, and we'll see y'all again soon. Have a great day.